Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find system management. Then let's go to date and time. And now we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we have to turn off the automatic time and the time zone. So now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping, confirm it with OK. The same with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. Here we've got the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions. So just find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you'd like to use, either 24-hour one or 12-hour format, just by tapping on the switcher, actually turning it off, or you can use local default, which is more or less automatic. So this is the whole customization. You can go back to all previous settings, so automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.